Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a trip straight into horror history, because what's scarier than Samara crawling out of your TV? Well, how about out of your mirror instead? That's right, we're building our very own Samara prop using nothing but thrift store finds, a little DIY magic, and a whole lot of nightmare fuel. We've got a foam head, some prop limbs, an old curtain that definitely looks like it's seen better days, and this mirror that's about to become a portal for terror. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see how to turn a few cheap supplies into the ultimate haunted house scare piece. And don't worry, if your reflection starts moving on its own, totally normal. To start, let's take a look at the items I used to build this prop. I purchased a set of zombie hand stakes and a chained foot from Spirit Halloween, although I've seen similar priced versions from Amazon. A black wig from Five Below, a styrofoam head from Michael's, a couple of old curtains, and a mirror from the thrift store, some small lengths of half-inch PVC, a small section of pool needle, cardboard, hot glue, and E6000. To begin, I started prepping the styrofoam head by creating a stronger base for the neck of the head with cardboard. I found out the hard way that the solvents in E6000 will dissolve styrofoam. I did the same with the two hands by creating some arms and cardboard end caps. I ended up having to spray the foot gray and then weathering it with a black wash of acrylic paint. For the leg and foot, I cut some half-inch PVC pipe and attached the two with a half-inch PVC 90-degree elbow to create the leg and calf. I then thickened the leg by sliding on a pool noodle and hot gluing it in place. To create a larger base to attach the leg to the mirror, I cut a hole the size of the pool noodle in a small cardboard box and hot glued the leg in place. I placed a piece of thin EVA foam to create a more curved knee section. To attach all the pieces, I used a 2 adhesive method by putting E6000 around the edges and hot glue in the center of the items. The hot glue would hold the items in place on the mirror until the E6000 cured, creating a stronger bond for all the body parts. I then cut up sections of the thrift store curtain to create the sleeves, shoulders, and dress bottom, and hot glued them to the body parts and mirror to make it look like Samara was climbing out of the mirror. I added some sections of lace curtain to give the dress more texture and dimension. I then placed the wig backwards on the styrofoam head so the hair would hang down and give the final look that Samara is known for. As an added accent, I placed a blue LED light under the bottom to give an eerie glow to the entire piece. And there she is, Samara, ready to crawl out of your nightmares, or at least your hallway mirror. If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more creepy DIY creations. Thanks for watching, and remember, whatever you do, don't look behind you.